Step into a world of wonder at magical little minds. Get ready for fantastic stories that will transport you to extraordinary places. Remember to spread the magic by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
Your Forest by Jon Klassen. This is your sun. It is coming up for you. These are your trees. They can go over by the sun. This is your cabin. It can go in the trees. Maybe some rocks. Not too many though. There is a forest ghost. He is nice. He only comes out at night. Here's your stream, so you can always have water. And here is a bridge, so you can cross the stream to get to the cabin. This is your forest. Now it is done. Now the sun is going back down. Now everyone is closing their eyes. Now your forest is asleep. Now you can sleep too and think about what you will do there tomorrow.
Thank you for joining us on this magical reading journey. If you're ready to continue the fun and learn even more, visit our Etsy shop for exciting educational printables. You can count on us to make learning numbers fun and easy with our popular animal jungle-themed kids numbers flashcards. Let's keep the learning adventure going. Head over to our Etsy shop now and make learning numbers a colorful and engaging experience.